everyone! Today we're going to draw an avocado. I'm going to go ahead and start with the face of my avocado. So we're going to draw a nice narrow face, and then we're going to draw the body of our avocados. We're going to come down and around and up again. We're going to start with the seed of our avocado. So it's usually just a big round seed in the middle of our avocado. And then my avocado is going to have some cute little eyes. So we're going to do some circle eyes here. And then we're just going to draw some ovals in the corner of his eye, right there. We're going to draw a big smile, beak, there. Now we're going to go ahead and color our avocado. I'm going to fix just this little piece. And it'll look better once we color her in. So I'm going to color most of my avocado in with this light green. We're gonna go ahead and speed up the video while we're coloring. Feel free to pause if you need to. Okay, so since this is kind of like a cross-section view of our avocado, meaning the avocado's cut in half, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this dark green marker and we're gonna create just an outline. So we're gonna color over the outline of what we just colored in. There we go. So that gives our avocado a little bit more texture. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna color in my seed. So I'm gonna use this brown color here. Now I am going to take a thicker black marker. I'm going to color in my eyes and I'm going to clean up some of my lines. And then for the finishing touch, I'm going to add just a little bit of blush to my avocado. And there we have it, a cute little blushing avocado. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.